Please subscribe Pardu Tech channel, like it and share it. Top 10 colleges, top 10 colleges category wise, that means unreserved, EWS, OBC, SC and ST, NEET 2023, All India quota, round 2, cutoff. Top 10, 10th one, GMCH, Chandigarh. GMCH means Government Medical College. Marks unreserved 692, EWS 685, OBC 680, SC 628, ST 608. Next, ninth one, AIMS Bhopal. AIMS Bhopal. Marks unreserved category 695, EWS 685, OBC 683, SC 658, ST 632. Next, eighth one, AIMS Jodhpur. AIMS Jodhpur. Cutoff marks unreserved 695, EWS 685, OBC 685, SC 653, ST 636. Next, seventh one, AIMS Bhubaneswar. Marks, cutoff marks unreserved 695, EWS 680, OBC 685, SC 654, ST 616. Next, sixth one, UCMS New Delhi. UCMS New Delhi. Cutoff marks unreserved 695, EWS 695, OBC 682, SC 666, ST 651. Next, fifth one, Jipmar Puducherry. Cutoff marks unreserved 700, EWS 680, OBC 692, SC 663, ST 635. Next, fourth one, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, IMS. Cutoff marks unreserved 702, EWS 695, OBC 692, SC 670, ST 645. Next, third one, VMMC New Delhi. Cutoff marks unreserved 705, EWS 700, OBC 695, SC 675, ST 667. Next, second one, MAMC New Delhi. Marks, cutoff marks unreserved 705, EWS 700, OBC 695, SC 675, ST 667. Next, number one, AIMS New Delhi. Cutoff marks unreserved 710, EWS 700, OBC 695, SC 687, ST 680. Please subscribe Pardu Tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.